The speeds at which sneezing can exceed. Ever wondered how fast a sneeze travels? It's faster than you think. Your body's natural reflex, sneezing, can reach incredible speeds. It's like launching a mini rocket from your nose. Sneezes can exceed speeds of 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah, the fastest land animal. This high-speed sneeze can expel thousands of tiny droplets, spreading germs far and wide. So, remember to cover your mouth. Now you know, each sneeze is a high-speed event. Keep it under control, protect those around you.